Imagine soaring beyond the confines of our planet, gazing upon the majesty of the cosmos, experiencing weightlessness, and witnessing Earth from a perspective few have ever known. This is the promise of space tourism, a concept that once belonged solely to the realm of science fiction but is now on the cusp of becoming reality. In recent years, the landscape of space exploration has undergone a seismic shift. Private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are leading the charge, fueled by a fervent passion for pushing the boundaries of human achievement. With each successful mission, they inch closer to turning the dreams of space tourism into tangible experiences. But amidst the excitement and anticipation lies a question that weighs heavy on the minds of many. Is space tourism a lavish indulgence reserved for the elite, or is it a monumental leap forward for humanity? In this captivating journey through the cosmos, we will delve deep into the heart of the debate. We'll uncover lesser-known facts and events, unraveling the mysteries surrounding space tourism. So buckle up and prepare for an adventure that will challenge your perceptions and ignite your imagination. But before we embark on this voyage, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Dream Trips, and join our community of fellow explorers. Together, we'll unlock the secrets of the universe and embark on the ultimate adventure. Welcome aboard. Before we talk about the logistics and costs of space tourism, let's delve into what makes it so appealing to adventurers and dreamers alike. The allure of space exploration is undeniable. Since the dawn of humanity, we've looked to the stars with wonder and curiosity, yearning to unlock the mysteries of the universe. Space tourism offers the chance to fulfill this innate desire, allowing ordinary people to venture beyond the bounds of our planet and into the great unknown. One of the most enticing aspects of space tourism is the opportunity to experience weightlessness. Imagine the sensation of floating effortlessly in zero gravity, free from the constraints of earthly existence. For many, this dream of weightlessness represents the ultimate escape, a chance to leave behind the worries and stresses of everyday life and embrace a truly otherworldly experience. But perhaps the most profound allure of space tourism lies in the unique perspective it offers. From the vantage point of space, Earth appears as a fragile oasis suspended in the vastness of the cosmos. The sight of our planet, adorned with swirling clouds and vibrant hues, serves as a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. It's a perspective that has the power to shift our perceptions and inspire a newfound appreciation for the preciousness of our planet. Furthermore, space tourism offers the opportunity to be part of a historic moment in human spaceflight. With each successful mission, space tourism pioneers are writing the next chapter in the story of human exploration, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and paving the way for future generations to follow. To be among the first civilians to venture into space is to be part of a legacy that will be remembered for generations to come. So, as we consider the appeal of space tourism, let's remember the dreams of exploration that have driven humanity forward throughout history. It's a dream that continues to inspire us, fueling our desire to reach for the stars and embark on the ultimate adventure. Before we talk about the logistics and practicalities of space tourism, let's take a closer look at the key players driving this exciting industry forward. First up, we have SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, with the ambitious goal of making life multiplanetary. SpaceX has revolutionized space travel with its reusable rocket technology, drastically reducing the cost of launching payloads into space. Their vision for space tourism involves sending civilians on missions to destinations such as the International Space Station, ISS, and even beyond, with plans for missions to the Moon and Mars in the not-too-distant future. Next, we have Blue Origin, founded by Amazon's Jeff Bezos. Blue Origin's approach to space tourism is centered around their New Shepard suborbital rocket system, designed to take passengers on brief trips to the edge of space. Their vision is to provide customers with the thrill of experiencing weightlessness and seeing the curvature of the Earth firsthand, all within the safety and comfort of a luxurious spacecraft. And then there's Virgin Galactic, led by Sir Richard Branson. Virgin Galactic aims to make space tourism accessible to a wider audience through their innovative Spaceship Two spacecraft. Unlike traditional rockets, Spaceship Two is launched from a carrier aircraft, giving passengers a smoother and more comfortable ride to the edge of space. Virgin Galactic's vision is to create a truly unforgettable experience for their customers, complete with stunning views of Earth and the opportunity to float in zero gravity. Each of these companies has made significant investments in developing the infrastructure needed to support space tourism. From designing and testing spacecraft to building launch facilities and training astronauts, they are committed to making the dream of space travel a reality for people around the world. And with each successful milestone they achieve, they bring us one step closer to a future where space tourism is not just a fantasy, but a commonplace reality. Before we talk about the logistics of planning a space tourism trip, let's address the elephant in the room, the hefty price tag associated with venturing beyond Earth's atmosphere. Space tourism is undeniably expensive, with current ticket prices ranging from hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars per seat. For many would-be space travelers, this cost represents a significant barrier to entry, relegating the experience to the realm of the ultra-wealthy. To put the cost of space tourism into perspective, let's compare it to other luxury experiences or adventures. While a trip to space may seem prohibitively expensive, it's important to remember that many high-end experiences, such as luxury cruises, exotic safaris, or private island getaways, also come with steep price tags. In fact, when viewed in this context, the cost of space tourism begins to seem more reasonable, given the unparalleled experience it offers. However, despite the current expense of space tourism, there is hope on the horizon for those dreaming of reaching for the stars. With advancements in technology and increased competition among space tourism companies, there is a growing potential for cost reduction in the future. Already, we're seeing signs of progress in this area, with companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin working to develop more efficient and affordable space transportation systems. As launch costs decrease and economies of scale come into play, the price of space tourism is expected to become more competitive, opening up opportunities for a broader range of people to experience the wonders of space travel. This potential for cost reduction has significant implications for accessibility, bringing the dream of space tourism within reach of a larger and more diverse audience. As the industry continues to evolve and mature, we can expect to see a future where venturing into space is not just a privilege for the wealthy elite, but a transformative experience available to all who dare to dream. Before we talk about the excitement of embarking on a space tourism adventure, let's take a moment to consider some of the criticisms that have been raised about the industry. One of the primary ethical concerns surrounding space tourism is its potential environmental impact. Critics argue that the carbon footprint of launching rockets into space and operating space tourism infrastructure could contribute to climate change and harm fragile ecosystems. Additionally, there are concerns about the long-term consequences of space debris and pollution in Earth's orbit. Equity is another issue that has been raised in discussions about space tourism. With ticket prices reaching astronomical heights, many argue that space tourism caters exclusively to the ultra-wealthy, widening the gap between the haves and the have-nots. This raises questions about fairness and access, particularly when considering the vast disparities in wealth and opportunity that exist around the world. Furthermore, some critics question the morality of spending vast amounts of resources on space tourism when there are pressing issues to address here on Earth. With challenges such as poverty, hunger, and healthcare crises affecting millions of people worldwide, some argue that the resources invested in space tourism could be better allocated to addressing these urgent needs. Safety is also a major concern when it comes to space tourism. While space travel has become increasingly routine for trained astronauts, the risks involved in sending civilians into space are still significant. Accidents like the 2014 crash of Virgin Galactic's Spaceship Two serve as sobering reminders of the inherent dangers of space travel, raising questions about the safety protocols and regulations governing the industry. As we weigh these criticisms against the potential benefits of space tourism, it's clear that there are complex ethical considerations at play. While the allure of space exploration is undeniable, it's essential to approach the industry with a critical eye and consider the broader implications for both humanity and the planet we call home. Before we talk about the current state of space tourism, let's cast our gaze forward and consider what the future may hold for this burgeoning industry. Speculating on the future of space tourism, one can't help but envision a world where space travel becomes increasingly mainstream. As technology advances and costs decrease, space tourism could transition from a niche market for the wealthy elite to a more accessible and widely available experience. Imagine a future where everyday people have the opportunity to journey into space, fulfilling their lifelong dreams of weightlessness and stargazing. But the future of space tourism holds more than just recreational opportunities. It also has the potential to open up new frontiers for scientific research and exploration. With commercial space companies increasingly partnering with research institutions and government agencies, we can expect to see a surge in scientific missions conducted in space. From studying the effects of microgravity on the human body to conducting experiments in space-based laboratories, the possibilities for groundbreaking discoveries are endless. Of course, advancements in technology and infrastructure will be essential for space tourism to truly thrive in the future. Fortunately, we're already seeing rapid progress in this area. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are pioneering new rocket designs and propulsion systems that promise to make space travel safer, more efficient, and more affordable than ever before. Additionally, the development of spaceports and launch facilities around the world will provide the necessary infrastructure to support a growing space tourism industry. As we look ahead to the future of space tourism, one thing is clear: the possibilities are limitless. Whether it's exploring the cosmos as a tourist, conducting groundbreaking research in orbit, or pushing the boundaries of human achievement, the future of space tourism promises to be an exciting and transformative journey for all of humanity. In conclusion, we've embarked on a captivating journey through the world of space tourism, exploring its allure, the players driving its development, the criticisms it faces, and its promising future. We've delved into the dream of weightlessness, the unique perspective of seeing Earth from space, and the excitement of being part of a historic moment in human spaceflight. We've examined the key companies involved in space tourism, their approaches, and the significant investments they've made to propel the industry forward. We've also considered the ethical concerns, the cost, and the safety implications of space tourism, urging for a balanced perspective as we venture into the cosmos. As we reflect on our exploration, let us ponder: what role will space tourism play in shaping the future of humanity? How can we ensure that the benefits of space exploration are shared equitably among all people? And what responsibility do we bear to preserve and protect the fragile wonders of our universe? Join us in continuing this conversation by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Together, let's dare to dream of a future where the stars are within reach for all who dare to reach for them. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey, and until next time, keep looking up.